Hello people, today I will show you how to install OpenShell if you have got latest compilation of Windows 11, that one from July, and today I must show you how to activate menu start even if you click my left mouse button. There's a program called OpenShell. And I wanted to show you how does this program look like. First of all, I will show you something. OpenShell, we have got as well OpenShell Explorer settings. This is free program. They released update. The latest version will be working with Windows 11 compilation from July 2023. And this is the latest version. I think they updated a couple of days ago, I believe. You can see, and I will show you steps how to make this working, how to use this in Windows 11. It's not a very big file. It has only a couple of megabytes. I think I will choose folder downloads. I wanted to show you how does this program look like. Okay, you can see fixes. It is still the development of the free open source software is still active. Okay, next step I wanted to show you. Left click opens. We have classic menu. Oh, wait a minute. I just done something wrong. Windows start menu. Normally you have Windows start menu. I selected now different setting. When I press start button, OpenShell menu comes up. But to be honest with you, I don't like Windows 11 start menu. So I use this open source software, and I will show you what settings to apply to show. We have what settings you have to apply to be able to see this. We got macro, skin. You can have macro. Windows 8. You can even have Windows XP style. Windows Aero. Menu look, what we got here. Wait a minute. I used to have Windows XP in the mask. Oh, wait a minute. Start menu style. Now we can switch to Windows XP. Olive green. You can have classic Windows XP. I think I will stick with Windows XP. It's up to you, what do you prefer. To be honest with you, I prefer Windows, yes, not Windows Classic, but, oh, wait a minute, Windows 8. It depends what you want to have. Windows 7 style or classic style. Classic style is also interesting. Sort by name. I don't know what do you prefer. It will remind the people who used to have Windows 98 in the past, and they will like it. But it's up to you, because everybody is different and everybody likes different things. I personally prefer Windows 8 skin. Okay, now I will show you next step. Menu look. We also have settings to menu look. Override glass color. basically we can change to 77 to see what is going on. Oh, now we have different menu. I think I will increase to 88. Clear type. Because I like blue color. Okay, search bar. General behavior. Use a single column. My favorite picture. Main menu. I deselected this. I deselected this because we don't need macro applications controls. Now here it is. This is what I wanted to mention. Left click ON shell menu. You can do that, it's up to you, because everybody, if you are right-handed, you can use right hand. I don't know if Windows has this option. I will check. Okay, I think if some people prefer to work with right hand, that's fine. Okay, next step. Oh, we have lots of different things. This is open source application, people. You don't have to pay for it. Sounds? Oh. Oh, I didn't know. We even have possibility to add sound. Oh, wow. I like it. I will have to check that later on. You can customize the menu. The most important thing, we can display as a menu, picture as a menu, user files as a menu, or you can enable this to be displayed network. I think control panel by default is visible. Printers and the devices, and they will be now visible. Oh. To be honest with you, I didn't see new options. Now you can see Windows tools, device and printers. This PC is also accessible. Documents, pictures, only music. I don't know what about music, but I'm showing you as much as possible. Oh, I forgot to mention. Windows Explorer. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know I can open like that. They open all users. Oh, wow. Wonderful. Settings. We even have settings not just relating to OpenShell. OpenShell Explorer settings. Oh, I will check that. Toolbar buttons, it's up to you. How do you want to configure? Toolbar settings. Oh, this is quite interesting. Title bar, extended path. I will check what does this thing do. Oh no, I will have to log in, but not now. I hope you will like my video tutorial. And it is still being developed. They stopped for a while, but after that they started to carry on development. I hope you like my video tutorial. This will work with the newest Windows 11, Windows 10 as well.